chickadees, good morning. Welcome back to the Back 40. We have our Margaret Miller weekly collage challenge. And I recorded it, didn't record the voice. So the voice fixed my mic and stuff for me. And I have the process video that I'll show next. But here is my weekly collage for week 33. Okay, we have the prompt is a leaf or leaves, something made from wood, graph paper, something that makes you happy, an animal with fur, and a bonus is a receipt. So we have our leaves, and they're made from wood. We have the butterflies from wood and the little clock. There's our graph paper, our receipt. Jelly printing makes me happy with the little splatters. Little puppy's got the fur. The little girl just 'cause she cute. And there we go. That is my week 33. I hope y'all have a great week. I'll see you on the next go round. Bye.